Hi, I'm Anna Ballard, founder of Ballard & Prescott, where we strive to make elegant gifting easy. And I want to show you a cool solution for two problems you may find yourself in. One, you're wrapping gifts and you're running low on ribbon. What can you do? Or two, you've unwrapped your gifts and you have some beautiful ribbon left over and you want to know how to use it. I'm going to teach you how to create mini bows. I'm crazy about these. You can add them to a gift. You can use them to package. These are some gift tags, but maybe you put in cookies or other sweet treats. Or maybe you just use them for a hair bow for one of your children. But these are a really great trick. Again, if you only have a small amount of ribbon or you have some leftover ribbon that you'd love to reuse. All right, let me show you how. These bows are great because they only require about 19 inches of ribbon. We're using my absolute favorite 1-inch double-sided satin ribbon. You'll be using your index finger, middle finger, and thumb for this project. To start, create a tail about 3 to 4 inches long, holding it in place with your thumb at the base of your middle finger. Now we'll loop around these two fingers in a figure 8 pattern. You're going to go around each finger twice, or make 4 loops. I'll show you that again. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now take that top tail and you're going to bring it over the bottom tail and tuck it through the hole at the base of your index and middle finger. Use your thumb to push it through so you see it pop out on the other side. Wiggle it out. You can use your index finger to pull it all the way through. All right, now you're starting to tighten your bow. Pull, pull. You're going to bring that tail and tuck it in the entrance where your other tail is. Again, use your thumb to push it through. Pull up to tighten the bow. Really yank on it, sort of wiggle it back and forth. Now you pull down to create your 2 traditional tails of your bow. Wiggle it off your fingers. And voila! Straighten the bow, and you can trim it if you need to. To add your bow to a gift, simply use a small piece of double-sided tape. Stick it to your gift, and then adhere the bow. That looks wonderful. What a great way to reuse ribbon. Another great way to use these mini ribbons is to use them on gift bags. I'm going to use this light blue one to tie off my narwhal gift tags. Simply use a bread tag or one of these twisty ties. Push it through the back of the bow. Wiggle, wiggle, push, push until you're all the way through. Now you can add it to your gift bag and just loop the twist tie. This is great for cookies or maybe a set of greeting cards. Just a nice way to elevate something special you've made. Well done. I hope you like this tip. I really do.